Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, I posted a video on this channel telling you that girl, it is alleged that she is being held hostage in Nigeria, guysini. She can't come back because she owes people there, the people that were paying for the BBL, people who were paying for the flights and stuff. This was said by her friend or former friend Akitsebi. But guys, after all the allegations, people went on Uwandi Ndlovu's page on Facebook. They started commenting, asking, "How girl, is it true? You owe people imali BBL? Is it true that you got your BBL in a skoloto? Is it true that you can't come home because you still owe these people?" So ever since that drama, Yogutu girl can't come home, she is tripping there to raise money to pay people in Nigeria. She has started posting, guys, It's like she is just giving assurance, no guys, right, I'm sharp. Or it's like she is just trying to prove a point, Ulebu, the friend who exposed the whole thing. It's like she is also trying to prove a point to time, and Ulebu was wrong, guys. She was wrong. Right in Nigeria, she's posting pictures saying I'm happy. She even posted something that said welcome to Nigeria. It was like a boarding and said that this is my home. Hey, what or the home I was born for, or something like that along those lines. So now we don't know, is she really happy or is she trying to prove a point? Because before all of this drama, she was not posting those things, I think about 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, she also posted on her Facebook stories. It was like she is enjoying, she's at a club, she's popping bottles, then taking content that is giving, and people were like in the comment section, girl, are you trying to prove a point Tuleb was lying, or are you trying to tell people that no, you are fine? Or some were even saying, girl, did you post these pictures while ukonjweng isibhamu enhloko? Is someone holding a gun to your head? Like, baby girl, post these pictures to show them that you are fine. Post these pictures to show the people that you are not being held hostage. I don't know, I don't know. What do you guys think of all of this? It's really so confusing. It's really confusing. And people were even commenting, comment section, saying, girl, if you say that, because in the comment section, she was just bashing the rumors, she is held hostage in Nigeria, and then some people were saying, okay, girl, please prove us wrong. Please prove your friend Ulebu wrong. Come home this December. Come home and prove them wrong. And she was like, no, I'm not coming. My mom is happy that I'm here. My mom is happy that I'm not there. Something along those lines. And then I'm like, how, girl? Prove them wrong. And then she started posting my stories now, and stuff. But like, come home for Christmas. Just prove the people wrong, and then you go back. Just 2 days, and then go back. Hi. Gunini guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one.